Have you ever felt that people come to you only when they need something? Have you ever canceled your own plans, your rest, your sleep, or your peace just to help someone who forgets you the moment they are done? If you have felt this, then this story is for you. Because sometimes life teaches us the hardest lesson through the people we care about. Once in a peaceful little town surrounded by long green fields and calm old houses, there lived a man named Daniel. Everyone in the town knew him well. If someone's bicycle chain broke, they shouted for Daniel. If someone needed help carrying boxes, they knocked on Daniel's door. If a lonely person needed someone to talk to, they went straight to Daniel's house. He never said no. He always smiled and said, "Of course, I'll help." He believed that helping others made him a better person, and people praised him for his kindness. But slowly, without realizing it, Daniel's life stopped belonging to him. His garden remained half-cleaned, his windows were broken, his roof needed repairs. His own problems were piling up, but instead of fixing them, he was out in the town fixing everything for everyone else. Every night he came home covered in dirt and sweat. His mother looked at him with tired eyes and said, "Daniel, my dear boy, you help everyone, but why does no one ever help you?" Daniel always gave the same small smile and replied, "It's all right, Mom. One day people will remember my kindness." But that day never came. One evening, the sky turned dark and heavy winds started blowing. The townspeople rushed to protect their gardens and belongings before the storm came. Daniel also ran out, but not to save his own things. He went straight to help his friend Oliver, whose tools and equipment were still lying outside. They worked fast, covering everything with cloths and moving things into the shed. But Daniel's own garden furniture was still outside, his plants still uncovered, and his wooden boxes were still open. And then the storm hit. Rain poured heavily, the wind whipped through the town, and by the time Daniel reached home, almost everything in his garden was ruined. He sat on the